Hello everyone, greetings of the day. Today I am here to discuss with you all about the project work in history. Along with the project work in history, there is a project record book in which the students will do the project. So, why do we need this project book? This book is very important from the point of view of the teachers as well as the students, as this book is based on the latest and recent guidelines as well as the syllabus made by the CBSE. So, the teachers and the students get confused regarding the topics and what all to be jotted down in the topic. So, this book is very helpful. It will give you each and every detailed points, as well as it has relevant images and ancient maps which are very difficult for the students to find out, and they have to struggle a lot to Google the ancient maps. So, this book has all the things, content, images as well as relevant maps. So, let us discuss about the key features of this book. So, the book project work in history is made as per the latest guidelines and syllabus prescribed by the CBSE for the academic session 2022-23. In this, the students of history are supposed to make only one project throughout the session. So, there is a confusion among the teacher and the students that how many projects they have to make. So, in this book, it has been clearly written that the students have to make only one project throughout the academic session, and that project contains 20 marks. Now, we will discuss some key features about this book. So, this book has 10 solved projects and 6 unsolved projects. So, 10 solved projects are there in which images and relevant maps are there. I have told you, as maps are very difficult for the students to find out, so all the relevant ancient maps are properly given in this book. It also has viva question along with answers of all the 10 solved projects. Sometimes the students find it very difficult to think of what the external examiner or the internal examiner will ask questions in the viva. So, in this viva questions and their answers are given, and 6 unsolved projects are there. But with the 6 unsolved projects, overview of each and every project is there, with the help of which the students can easily do that particular project. So, hopefully this book will be very helpful for the students as well as for the teachers. Thank you.